Hello there, welcome to this episode of Our Tutorials by Levitation Studios. My name is Lydia, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can assign multiple materials to the same objects in Blender. I'll be using 2.9 for this video, but this techniques applies to other versions of Blender, the older versions. So let's get started. So this character here, I have this dress. This upper part has this material and this lower part has this other one. So this video is to show you how you can apply multiple material to the same mesh. So this mesh is one. So to assign multiple material to your mesh, go to edit mode. It's very important. Then select, I'm holding down Alt to click. Hold down Shift to select the next loop. Select. So I'm going to assign this gold trim to this. So click on Assign. So this is how you assign multiple materials to the same object. So I can decide to add more. So I can go to the lower part of the dress. Maybe I select this part. Create a new material. Assign. Make this so you can just keep going and adding as many materials as you want. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Levitation Studios if you've not done so. Click on the notification bell to get notified every time we upload videos like this. And until next time, stay true to your creativity. Bye bye.